Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today we are making deliciously authentic Swedish meatballs. To begin, you will need 1 pound of mixed ground meat. Your mixture should include beef, pork, and veal, but feel free to adjust according to your dietary needs. Other ingredients include whole milk, onion, garlic, and a few spices, one of which is a star ingredient, allspice. You'll need panko breadcrumbs to make the meat deliciously tender. A small amount of nutmeg is also used, as well as Worcestershire sauce to add depth. Start by combining a half a cup of breadcrumbs and 1 cup of whole milk to a bowl. Mix thoroughly to combine. Set this aside, allowing the breadcrumbs to absorb the milk mixture. To a frying pan on medium heat, add 1 diced onion. Caramelizing the onions is a really important step in making Swedish meatballs. Perfectly caramelized onions will bring sweetness to your meatballs. Now add crushed garlic and thyme to add aromatic intensity. Set your onions aside once they're golden in color. Now add 2 eggs to your breadcrumb mixture. Place your ground meat into a bowl and smash with a potato masher. We want the meat to be extremely tender, to the consistency of a pate. Not to worry, you won't overmix it, just keep going. Trust me. Add a splash of Worcestershire sauce to your meat. Add a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of allspice, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. Now add your beautifully caramelized onions into your meat. Mix until the onions and all the spices are combined. This is where the magic happens. Combine your breadcrumb mixture into your meat mixture and stir thoroughly. Prepare a parchment-lined baking sheet and heat your oven to 350 degrees. Using damp hands and an ice cream scoop, start to make your meatballs. I find that tossing the meatballs from one hand to the next is the best method. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to your frying pan. On medium heat, fry your Swedish meatballs. Be gentle with them so they don't fall apart. Of course, I'll be serving my meatballs with fluffy mashed potatoes. Click the link for the video. Continue to cook all the meatballs in the frying pan. Then transfer your meatballs to a baking dish and bake at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now add a tablespoon of butter to your pan and sprinkle approximately 3 tablespoons of flour. Cook on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally, then add 3 cups of beef stock. Using a strainer, fish out any caramelized bits as needed. Add a 1/4 teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper to your gravy mixture. Now go ahead and add a half cup of heavy cream to your mixture. You can also lighten this gravy by adding regular milk. Mix until all the ingredients are completely combined. Allow the gravy to simmer for 5 minutes, then remove the meatballs from the oven and add them to your sauce. Use your spoon to ensure that all the meatballs are completely covered in this delicious sauce. After simmering for 5 minutes on low heat, your delicious Swedish meatballs are now ready to be plated. Our easy-to-follow steps make the preparation a breeze. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up a batch of these savory delights. Serve them with traditional lingonberry sauce and a side of buttery mashed potatoes for the ultimate authentic Swedish dining experience. Can I ask you a favor? If you appreciate carefully curated dishes, can you kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel? This will allow us to continue to provide authentic, no-fail recipes for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching this video again, and as a thanks, I've included a recipe card for you. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it.